Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home children. Yes, very good. Now you all can have your little thinker. I know everybody are getting ready and being ready with your little thinker and EVS little thinker and pencil, eraser and sharpener. Very good. You are all very smart. Begin with the end in mind. Yes, your beginning will be very good and your ending is also very good. Super. Begin with the end in mind. Everybody are using the habits properly. Yes, super. Very good, children. Everybody nowadays you are all using proactive language only, no? Yes, super, Kana. Think positive. Always be positive. Don't think any negative words. Be positive. Okay, if you want to listen this class, you have to be get the permission with your parents and be along with your parents. Okay, children. Shall we recap the last class topics and all? Yes, super. Now we are going to recap. Super. Last class we saw the main parts of our body. We have many parts in our body. We all have recalled, okay? Many parts in our body. Yes, super. Next is our joints of our body. Next one is the joints of our body. Totally we have how many joints? Totally we have 6 joints. How many joints? 6 joints. That is shoulder, knuckle, knee, wrist, elbow, ankle. Super. Once again, shoulder, knuckle, knee, wrist, elbow, ankle. Has everybody completed the homeworks we have given? What we have given to you? Yes, good. We'll be having a track also to that. Okay? Good. Joints of a body. Totally we have 6 joints. Shoulder, knuckle, knee, wrist, elbow, ankle. Everybody is singing the rhymes at home. Yes, I too will be singing the rhymes at home. Yes, good, good, good. Very good, children. Super. Shoulder spelling SHOULDER. Shoulder. KNUCKLE. Knuckle. KNEE. Knee. WRIST. Wrist. ELBOW. Elbow. ANKLE. Ankle. Super. You have seen the pictures in the last class and all, no? Yeah, super. Shoulder, knuckle, knee, wrist, elbow, ankle. Super. Next one is the last class we saw about that pictures and all, laddu. Everything we saw, no? Yes, super. The topics and all we saw, that is we saw that pictures of laddu, the handshake, the hand claps, everything we saw, no? Yes, the sandpaper. Have you all practiced at home? The hot water, the cold water, the white paper. Have you all done that activities at home? Yes, super Kana. Very good. In that, by using that sandpaper and all, how we felt with the help of the skin. With the help of the skin, we felt that the sandpaper is hard or rough. Yes. Whether it is smooth or rough, we felt with our hand, with the skin, with the help of our skin, we felt. That is, by using the help of the skin, we can feel. We can feel. With the help of the skin, we can feel. Okay, the skin helps to feel. The skin helps to feel. Super. Next one, by tasting that laddu. By tasting that laddu, whether the laddu is taste or not, how we have tasted? By the help of the tongue. Super. The tongue helps to taste. The tongue helps to taste. Super. Next one, we saw that crayons colors, no? Yes. How we saw that? With the help of eye. We can identify the colors, the size, the shape, everything we can identify. By seeing. The eye helps to see. The eye helps to see the color. Okay. Next one, the smell. When we keep any food, whether it is spoiled or not, how we will smell it? Yes, with the help of the nose. Super. With the help of the nose. Yes. The nose helps to smell. Next one, the bell. We clapped and we had a bell also, no? Yes, by using that, how we heard? With the help of our Ear, with the help of our ear. Now, okay, we heard the sound. Okay, what is this 5 things? The skin, tongue, eye, nose, ear. These are the 5 sense organs of our body. Okay, these are our 5 sense organs of our body. Here we are going to see in detail about that. Okay, children? Yeah, shall we go inside that? Yes. Put a high five to your parents. Yes, super. Very good. Super, children. Ah, very good. Super. What is this? Totally, we have how many sense organs? The 5 senses. This is the 5 sense organs. What is this? The 5 sense organs. In the parts of the body, we have the 5 sense organs. What is the first one? Eyes. What is the first one? Eyes. With the help of the eyes, what we can do? We can see. Very good. With the help of the eyes, we can see. Very, very good, children. With the help of the eyes, we can see. Super, super, super. The eyes helps us to identify different shapes, color, size, everything. With the help of this eyes, we can identify the different shape, color and size. Yes or no, children? Yes, very good. Next one is nose. See how many nose? See here, one nose we have no. With the help of this nose, we can smell. What we can do? We can smell. Very good. We can smell. Whether the food is good or not, whether it is spoiled or not, we can smell it. Whether if we have any flower or anything in front of you, we can smell and say what flower is that. Yes, 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 super. When your eyes are closed, you can by the smelling itself you can say what flower is it. Okay, children? Super. Next one is ears. What is this? Ears. What is ears? EARS, ears. With help of this ears, we can hear musics. We can hear many things. If your friends are talking inside the classroom, we can hear it. If the ma'am is taking the class, you can hear it good. With the help of your ears, we can hear everything. Okay, children? Super. Next one is tongue. Ah, taste. The tongue is meant for tasting. Super. See this ice cream, this boy is tasting. How he is tasting? With the help of the tongue. Super. We can eat with the help of your mouth. We can taste only with the help of your tongue. Okay. Next is skin. With the help of your skin, you can touch and see whether the things are rough, smooth or it's very hard. We can find it out with the help of the skin. The skin helps us to identify the object is rough, smooth, cold or hot or anything. We can find it out with the help of our skin. Super. The nose helps us to identify the different smells. Many different smells we can identify with the help of our nose. The tongue helps us to identify different taste, whether it is sweet, bitter, salt or any taste we can taste with the help of our tongue. Super. The ears helps us to identify different sounds. We are hearing only one sound at a day, in a day. No, we can hear many sounds like bell ringing inside the classroom. In the building will be hearing the bell ringing, the temple or outside the buses are going on. We can hear many sounds. Okay. Next, like that, the skin helps us to identify the objects. The tongue helps us to identify different taste. The ears helps us to identify different sounds. The nose helps us to identify different smells. Okay. Okay. Eyes, sight. Eyes, sight. Eyes, sight. EYES. Eyes. SIGHT. Sight. Eyes, sight. Eyes, sight. EYES. Eyes. SIGHT. Sight. Eyes, sight. Super. Nose, NOSE. Nose, smell. 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 Nose, smell. Nose, smell. 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 Nose, smell. Super. Next one is ears. 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 Hearing. 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 Ears to hear. Super. Next, tongue. 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 TASTE. Taste. Tongue. Taste. Tongue. taste. Okay, children. Next, skin. Skin is in your hand only? No, in all over the body we have the skin. But with the help of your hand, we can touch and see whether the object is hard or soft or smooth, you can say. Skin, touch. Skin, touch. That is feel. Skin, touch or feel. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Now see here, the doctor is seeing this girl's eye with the help of his eyes. With his eyes and torch, he is seeing this girl's eye. That is eye sight. Eye sight. Super. Next one is ear, hear. See, this boy is hearing some sound. That is only hearing. E-A-R, ear. H-E-A-R, hear. Ear, hear. Ear, hear. Okay. Next, see this with the help of this tongue. We can taste many food, whether it is spicy or delicious or yummy or sweet. We can taste all the food with the help of our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. Okay, children, the help of the tongue we can taste different varieties of food. Next one is skin. Skin, feel. If anybody is touching you, you can feel it, no? Yes. Skin, feel. See whether the object is hot or cold, we can feel it. See, this object is hot, that boy touched it, he got hurt. Okay, he got burnt in his hand. Skin, feel. Skin, feel. S-K-I-N, skin. F-E-E-L, feel. Skin, feel. Skin, feel. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Next one is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. With the help of the nose, what we can do? We can smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Nose, smell. Nose, smell. Nose, smell. See, this man is smelling with his nose, no? See whether his food is tasty, he is smelling. See how he is smelling with the nose. Whether the food is giving flavor, he is tasting with his, he is smelling with his nose. Good. See, this girl is smelling with her nose. Whether this flower is smelling or not. See, rose will be having a wonderful smell, no? Yes, good. This girl is smelling it. Nose, smell. Nose, smell. Super. See here, you can open your book now. You can see that fill in the blanks with the right sense organs and sense. We have seen now 5 sense organs, no? Yes, that is eyes, ear, tongue, nose and skin. We have seen the 5 sense organs. These are our 5 sense organs which can sense. Okay. First one we saw it as eye, sight. E-Y-E-I, sight. Eye, sight. Then for ear, what will happen? Ear, hear. Ear, hear. Okay, next is tongue. You can write this, you have to write the spelling tongue here. T-O-N-G-U, tongue, taste. Tongue, taste. Super. Next is nose, smell. Nose, smell. Next is skin, feel. Skin, feel. Super. I'll give little time, you can write it. Eye, sight. Ear, hear. Tongue, taste. Tongue, taste. Nose, smell. Nose, smell. Super. Skin, feel. Skin, feel. Okay. Now, see here. Fill in the blanks with the right sense organs. Which sense organ is used? They have given you some blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. Okay. In this sentence, which is missing, we have to write it. Okay. First one, see. The THE. The dash helps us identify cold and hot objects. See, when the object is very cold or hot, with what sense organs will be identifying? Can anyone say? Yes, super. Think first. Yes. Yes. Seek first before understand. Super, Kanna. Very good. First one, what you have to write here? Skin. Super. The sense organ they are asking. This is only sense organ. These are the functions. Okay. This is a sense organ. Sense organ. Sorry. Sense organ. Skin. 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 You have to write here. Skin to identify the cold or hot objects. Okay. The sense organ that helps us to taste things. Which helps us to taste the things. Which what we will taste? Tongue. Super, ma. Very, very good. Super, children. Put a high five to you all. Very good. Super, super, super. Tongue. Super. TONGUE. Tongue you have to write here. Next, third one is our dash helps us identify different types of sounds. With the help of what we will get different types of sounds. Ear. Super. Ear helps us to identify different types of sound. Super. Next one. Fourth one is our dash helps us to identify whether it is fresh food or spoiled food. Whether the food is fresh or spoiled, how we will identify with the help of our nose. Super. Whether it is fresh or spoiled with the nose. You can write your nose. 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 Next, fifth one. Our dash helps us to identify the objects of different color, size and shape. Different color with what we will see? Yes, with the same answer. The answer is given known. C, that is eye. EYE. Our eye helps to identify objects of different color, size and shape. Super. See here we have given you the answer. You can write the answer. Eye, sight. Ear, hear. Tongue, taste. Nose, smell. Skin, feel. Super. First one, the skin helps us to identify cold and hot objects. Super. The sense organs that helps us to taste things is the tongue. Super, ma. Our ear helps us to identify different types of sound. Super. Fourth one, our nose helps us to identify the fresh food or and the spoiled food. Good. Next, our eye helps us to identify the objects of different color, size and shape. Super. I'll wait for a while. You can write it. Okay. Yes. Write in a good handwriting, Kana. You have to write neatly. In the future also you have to see, no? Yes, the begin with the end in mind. What you're doing, it should not affect your future. If you're not writing neatly now, you can't read in the exams. Read for the exams and all. We can't see the paper. Okay, no? Yes, super. Everybody write neatly, write clearly. With the guidance of your parents, write neatly and clearly. Okay, Kana? Yes? Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes, super. Okay, children. Till this sense organs, we have seen everything. Okay? The remaining things, remaining topics, we can see in the next class. Thank you, ma.